I'm taking on the challenge to uncover the hidden gems of Mongolia and show you some incredible places that most people have never seen. In this video, you'll discover the lesser-known wonders of Mongolia, from stunning landscapes to unique cultural experiences. Many travelers miss out on the true essence of Mongolia by sticking to popular tourist spots, leaving behind its hidden treasures. They flock to the famous Genghis Khan Square, visit the National Museum, and take a quick trip to the nearby Gorky Terelj National Park. Don't get me wrong, these places are amazing, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to Mongolia than what meets the eye. The country has a rich history, diverse landscapes, and a unique cultural heritage that's waiting to be explored. Most travelers don't venture beyond the capital city, Ulaanbaatar, and that's where they're missing out. Mongolia is a vast country with a rich cultural heritage, and most of its hidden gems are scattered across the countryside. You need to go off the beaten path, take the road less traveled, and immerse yourself in the local culture to truly experience the essence of Mongolia. The country has a lot to offer, from its stunning natural landscapes to its vibrant cultural festivals. But you need to be willing to take the time to explore, to talk to the locals, and to learn about their customs and traditions. That's when the real magic happens, and you get to experience the authentic Mongolia. Explore the enchanting natural wonders like the stunning Gobi Desert, the serene Lake Khovsgol, and the rich cultural heritage found in small towns. The Gobi Desert, for instance, is a treasure trove of unique landscapes, from the stunning sand dunes to the fossils of ancient animals. It's like stepping into a different world, one that's both harsh and beautiful at the same time. Lake Khovsgol, on the other hand, is a haven for nature lovers. Located in the northern part of the country, it's a stunning freshwater lake surrounded by towering mountains and lush forests. The scenery is breathtaking, and the tranquility of the place is simply astounding. The small towns of Mongolia are another hidden gem waiting to be explored. They're packed with history, culture, and tradition, offering a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. From the ancient monasteries to the vibrant cultural festivals, these towns are a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be had. The Altai Mountains are home to some of the most ancient and mysterious petroglyphs in the world. These intricate rock carvings date back thousands of years, depicting the lives of ancient civilizations. They're a window into the past, a glimpse into the lives of people who lived and thrived in this harsh but beautiful landscape. The petroglyphs are not just a piece of art, they're a piece of history, a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of ancient humans. They're a reminder that even in the most remote and inhospitable places, humans have always found a way to thrive and create something beautiful. The mystery surrounding these petroglyphs is what makes them so fascinating. Who created them? What were they trying to convey? These are questions that may never be fully answered, but that's what makes the petroglyphs so captivating. They're a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about our world, and that's what makes exploration so thrilling. In this video, we've explored some of the hidden gems of Mongolia, from the stunning natural landscapes to the unique cultural experiences. We've seen the beauty of the Gobi Desert, the tranquility of Lake Khovsgol, and the mystery of the ancient petroglyphs. These hidden gems are the essence of Mongolia, and they're what make this country so unique and fascinating. They're a reminder that there's more to Mongolia than just the popular tourist spots, and that the real magic happens when you venture off the beaten path. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover the hidden gems of Mongolia. If you've been to Mongolia, let me know in the comments what your favorite hidden gem was. And if you're planning a trip to Mongolia, don't forget to add these hidden gems to your itinerary. Until next time, when I'll be exploring more incredible destinations around the world.